Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is called I Understand English, but I Can't Speak. In this video, you will listen to a natural conversation between two university students, Kai and Sara. Kai feels frustrated because he understands English, but he cannot speak well. Sara listens to him kindly and gives him helpful advice. This story is slow, clear, and easy to follow, so please relax and listen carefully. You can shadow, repeat, or just enjoy the conversation. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hey, I've been studying English lately. I really try, but I don't feel I'm getting better at speaking.
I see. What makes you feel that way?
Well, the other day, someone asked me for directions. I understood what they said. I knew what they wanted. But I just couldn't say anything.
You understood, but you couldn't speak?
Yeah. I had English in my head. I knew the words, but my mouth didn't move.
That is very common. Really, many people go through that stage.
It feels frustrating, like I should be able to do this.
Yeah, it feels like something is blocking you.
Exactly. I feel stuck.
But listen, your English is not bad. You are not failing. You are just not used to speaking yet.
Used to speaking yet. I like that word.
Knowing English and speaking English are two different abilities.
I thought they were the same. Like if I study more, I should speak better.
Studying gives you knowledge, but speaking needs a pathway.
So my brain has the knowledge, but the pathway is thin.
Yes, the pathway is like a small road. When you use it more, it becomes a bigger road.
So I just need to make the road wider.
Exactly. And to make it wider, you need two things: input and output.
I see the logic. It makes sense.
And it means you're actually close.
Close? Really?
Yes, many people don't even understand English yet. You already do.
Wow. I never looked at it that way.
So now the goal is not learn more, but use what you already have.
Oh, that feels lighter. So I need input, but I don't really have time to study.
I understand. Most people don't have time.
After work, I just want to rest.
Yeah, so let's not study. Let's expose yourself to English.
Expose. Just let English be around me?
Yes, exactly. Like background music.
That sounds easier.
For example, when you are washing dishes, or walking, or getting ready in the morning, play YouTube or a podcast.
Oh, not focusing on it. Just letting it play?
Right. Don't try to understand everything. Just let the sound come to your ears.
That feels different from studying.
And slow speed is important. Try 0.75x.
Why slow? Doesn't faster English train listening?
Fast English trains your ears, but slow English trains your speaking.
Ah, because I can copy it more easily?
Yes, you can repeat it in your mind or whisper it a little.
Like very light shadowing.
Exactly. Very light shadowing.
And you said watching shows too, right?
Yes, watch them with English subtitles, but don't study them.
Just enjoy.
Yes, enjoy the story. Just notice small things like, oh, he said, "Are you okay?" in that situation.
So I don't need to stop and think?
No stopping, no pausing, no notes. Just let English live next to you.
That sounds actually doable and kind of fun. Okay, so that's input. What about output?
We start very small. If it's big, we stop.
Yeah, I always try too hard, get tired, and quit.
So we will not practice conversation too hard at first.
Oh, good. That feels like a relief.
Every morning, write one small sentence in English.
One sentence? Like, really just one?
Yes, one is enough. For example, drink water, clean my room, go for a walk.
I can do this in 20 seconds.
Yes, the important part is the moment of thinking in English.
What about speaking? I still want to speak someday.
You will, but we take a gentle path. Talk to ChatGPT. Say, please speak slowly and use simple words.
Then it adjusts to my level.
Yes, and it never gets tired, never judges you, never laughs.
That is actually really comforting.
And one more output. Very natural, very simple. Just talk to yourself in English. Short phrases only.
Like,
I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee.
no pressure, no fear, just daily life.
Yes, this builds the speaking pathway, little by little.
So, learning English is not about speed. It is about patience.
Yes. It is like growing a small plant. Water a little every day.
Not big effort, just small steps.
Right. And one day you will say something in English and realize, wait, I just said that.
I want to feel that day.
You will, because you are already on the path.
Okay. Starting tomorrow, I will try English BGM, English shows, one sentence in the morning, and small self-talk.
Good. Let's do it together. Slowly, gently, happily.
Thank you. Really.
Anytime. We grow together.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story of Kai and Sara. Today, we learned that speaking English is not about talent or speed. It is about small steps every day, like listening in the background, writing one small sentence, and trying simple self-talk in English. Please try one small action today. Even 30 seconds is enough. We will continue to make slow and clear English conversations so you can practice and grow at your own pace. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.